Oh, hey there. Welcome to my channel. So my name is Scott and this is my first video ever. And we're gonna do a little cook with me and get to know me. So cheers, grab a drink, do whatever you want. Sit down, relax. We are cooking. It is Sunday evening. It's around 5:45. I had a fucking gorgeous day. We're gonna cook some lentil soup, all right? So first off, I cut so celery, onions, carrots with my knife. Woo! So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up some olive oil in the pan. So we're gonna let that heat up and we're gonna throw this in there and saute it for a little bit. I got my lentils, not sponsored, Target. And then I got some garbanzo beans, Trader Joe's, not sponsored. Yeah, and then we're gonna add everything together and we're gonna make some good ass lentil soup for the week. Hope everyone have a good Sunday. It's, I live in Washington, D.C. and it was fucking 70 degrees out today. 70 degrees. Did everyone else think that it was spring? Cause I did. Or it's global warming. Ooh, what's that? So I've been wanting to do YouTube for a while because I think it's fun, it's creative, and it's something I wanted to do. I don't know how to edit, so I'm gonna go with the flow and see how this works. And my brother's gonna help me. So we're just gonna see what's going on. It's Sunday, I'm cooking, and a lot of my videos are going to be in the kitchen because I love cooking, and I just wanna chit chat and see what's up. So a lot of these videos will consist of me here in the kitchen. We're gonna take the veggies, looks a little warm, heat it up. Yep, you hear that sizzle. So we're gonna cook that for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let the onions get translucent, get a little clear, a little toasty. And then I'm also gonna throw my garbanzo beans in to saute them as well to give it a nice little crunch. So they're gonna be delicious. You know about me, I am 32 years old, lived here in Washington, D.C. for about 7 years now. Originally born in West Palm Beach, Florida. That's where my family resides. Love going home to the state of Florida for a good amount of time. I can work remote, thanks to my job, which is amazing. Let's see, what do? I used to play kickball in a gay sports league. Don't do that anymore. Did that for about 10, 11 seasons. That was fun. Met a lot of friends, but I'm over it. I want my Sundays to do what? Drink. And not have to play kickball and worry about he said, she said, that bullshit. So doing that, let's see, I love traveling. I'm single, if anybody's looking. Cheers. So this weekend has been fun, relaxing, and chill. So I've been, I binge watched AJ and the Queen, that new show that RuPaul's in. It's okay. It's something amazing. I watch it because you can watch RuPaul perform and it's great. Other than that, I think it's meh. I don't know if it's gonna get another second season. We'll see about that, but it's pretty good. Also been loving rewatching The West Wing. Amazing. If you never watched The West Wing, you're not living. You need to watch The West Wing, girl. It's so amazing. All right, so the vegetables are looking good. They've been in here for about 10 minutes or so. I'm going to go ahead and add the garbanzo beans in. Saute those garbanzo beans for a little bit until they get a little golden brown, and I'll add a little more olive oil. Let those crisp up for a little bit. I love garbanzo beans and lentil soup. I just started doing it recently. One of my good friends, Bobby, told me about it. And I was like, damn girl, why didn't I think about this before? Ever since then, garbanzo beans and lentil soup is just amazing. It's got that garbanzo bean crunch. You know what I'm talking about. So the vegetables are looking good. They've been in here for a while. Looking sauteed, looking amazing. Turn it down a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is add my 2 cups of lentils. Throw that right in there. And I don't have any vegetable broth. I'm just gonna do water. So I'm gonna do 4 cups of water. Throw that right in there. So it's basically the same thing as cooking rice, 2-to-1 ratio. Let that come to a simmer, let it boil, and then we'll turn it down to a low-medium heat. And we're gonna let it cook for probably about 30-40 minutes for everything to cook through. And it's gonna be delicious. I might add one new thing. I picked up this Indian yellow duck tail from Trader Joe's, and I think I'm gonna add this into the soup as well to make it a little curry soup. So look forward to this. Never tried it before, but I love trying new things. So I'm excited to try this. While that is coming to a boil, let's chat. So many cool new things are gonna be happening for me in 2020. Started this YouTube channel. I wanna be more creative. I wanna see what content I can bring to the YouTube. I'm just excited. I wanna try something new. I wanna try something different. I wanna bring some really fun content, do some mukbangs with some friends, maybe some fun makeup tutorials with some friends. I am just trying to literally live outside my comfort zone and try all these new fun things and create fun content for, you all and myself. And I wanna see what I can do. I wanna challenge myself. I'm currently in therapy. Cheers to therapy, girl. Therapy has changed my life in the aspect of you think you know yourself, you don't know yourself until you've gone to therapy. Therapy is very, very good. And it's really pushing me to do so many types of new things. And my therapist is great. Challenging, always putting me in my place. It's just great. It's really hard to describe, but it's wonderful. So 2020 is gonna be the year of challenging and putting myself outside that box and trying new things and maybe dating again. We'll see what happens. So here's the soup up close. We added some frozen cauliflower in here, and now I'm gonna let it boil and simmer on a medium-low heat and take it from there. As we get to know each other, you're gonna really understand the reason why I love being in the kitchen. Being in the kitchen, to me, is just like soothing, joyful. If I'm having a bad day, all I wanna do is cook. All I wanna do is make others happy. I wanna cook my food and show others that you can spread joy through food. So my home is always open to anybody when it comes to food. I love cooking for others. And myself, girl. It's fun. All right, so the lentil soup is done. It's my finished product. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button down there. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for viewing. Talk to you later. Bye.